Higher mortgage rates aren't the only thing that's hurting the real estate market. We know mortgage rates are soaring and they're expected to be around 7.125% by the time that this video comes out. And all that you hear from us realtors is it's time to buy, go get your home. But this could be the scariest statistic yet. The fact is, we haven't seen credit availability this low since 2013 when we were struggling to get out of the great financial crisis. Not only is credit availability at a 9-year low, but according to the MBA, it's fallen for the 7th straight month. Don't get me wrong, lenders are desperate for new business. In fact, they've seen their pipelines fade away due to higher interest rates faster than the 2022 New York Yankees World Series hopes. Go Sox. Joel Kahn is an economist with the MBA, and he had came out and said that the appetite for low credit scores and high loan to values is significantly smaller than in years past. I mean, when an economy is on the fringe of recession, this makes complete and total sense. Mortgage lenders, speak up and comment below. Let us know. Are you seeing tighter guidelines? Are you seeing it getting a little bit more difficult for your clients to get approved for a loan?